Now, I think you probably already got the gist of this. I did a YouTube live stream a few weeks back. I've put out a couple of different videos to my normal beard videos as a part of mixing up the content throughout 2020 just to keep me a bit more engaged with YouTube. But I shaved the beard and I'm certainly not going to be doing a tweed. And I just want to quickly talk about that. So the year was a fairly fun and also horrendous experience. Growing a beard for a year is frustrating, as well as being pretty damn awesome, just to see what your follicles are able to do and produce. It's crazy really that you can grow such a big beard in a year. And I kind of think, wow, imagine if I could do that with my hair. Like, imagine how big and how long my hair could get, because my hair grows way faster than my beard. But I'm not doing that. Well, not anytime soon anyway. So having a long beard was a cool experience, but it was starting to get a little bit tiring. I've always quite liked a simple style, a very simple, clean beard. Although it's not too clean at the moment, the cheeks are a little bit messy. I kind of like a slightly bushier mustache. That's why the beard-stache style has always kind of, I don't know, it's always resonated with me, that style of beard. And when I shaved the beard off, it was the first style I thought about, and I'm still kind of rocking the beard stache. My mustache is slightly longer than the rest of my beard, but I have massively tamed the mustache because I had this curly mustache post trim massive shave of the beard, and it was a little bit too long. Like a day or two later I trimmed it in. I kept trimming it in and in until I got the balance just right, and I'm quite happy with the style now. I might go a little bit shorter again on the sides and keep the mustache a bit longer. This is actually the longest the beard's been since Christmas time now, and it's cool. I actually really like this length of beard, and maybe slightly shorter on both the cheeks and the chin area and under here. Now I kind of set out with this loose aim, this loose goal of growing a beard for 2 years, but after 4 more months of growing the beard out, I kind of thought, why the hell am I doing this? Am I just doing this to make content on YouTube about beards? And the answer was 100% yes, because I thought it would give me another year's worth of content talking about beards and beard stuff and beard products, beard care ingredients. And I kind of got to the point of just being consumed with just growing a beard just for YouTube. And that's definitely the wrong reason to grow a beard. You don't grow it for other people's enjoyment, for other people's benefits. You grow it because you want to. And now I found a style, this short style, quite clean style, minimalist style, that I don't have to do too much with each morning. I actually only use beard products now maybe 2-3 times a week. I've really reduced the amount I use. I can easily wear nice aftershaves again. I came across this awesome brand, Solid State, solid based aftershaves that I'm just really enjoying, and where I don't wear beard products every single day, I can really get the smell of them and really enjoy them. Yes, I know you can get unscented or non-scented beard care products, and that's typically what I'm using in the beard at the moment. I'm using a lot of fine fettals. It's the birthday suit, I think, is the unscented beard conditioner. Really enjoying that. I've used a few beard balms on the beard, but typically I've just gone back to using a beard oil or Fine Fettals beard conditioner, and they're doing absolute wonders for my face and skin. I still use a beard wash in the shower twice a week. That's kind of where I'm at with the beard journey now. I'm actually going to settle with a sustained look, a sustained style, and I haven't done that for the last couple of years. Before I undertook this year, I was doing a kind of another year. Whilst I was making content on YouTube, making my beard care products and things like that. And it's just been a long time of growing beards, and I kind of wanted a fresh new look, a fresh new style, and I'm enjoying it very much. It's also really beneficial because my youngest child, who's now maybe he's almost 5 months old already. He just started to put on that beard like nothing else. I experienced it with the firstborn, but this one was really getting in under there and really yanking it. It was the longest beard I've ever had, I think. Yeah, I'd say that. It was the longest beard I've ever managed to grow. So there was a lot of beard to grow. And for another reason, actually, that I'll throw out here, is I quite enjoy wearing ties. You know, I work in an office environment, quite a corporate environment, even though I dress fairly casually half the week, but also half the week when I actually have a shirt that I've ironed, I'll chuck on a tie, and I've got a whole collection of ties that I really like to wear. This dinosaur tie is probably my favourite. I've got a couple of other beautifully patterned ties, some on paisley, I've got a dogtooth tie, I've got the skull and bones one. I just really like ties, and it's really enjoyable to, you know, tie a full Windsor or a double Windsor knot and really rock a decent tie that people can see, because I don't have this massive beard covering it and almost going down beyond my chest, almost to my belly button. I can kind of, you know, just dress a little bit differently, and it suits me, and I really enjoy the whole look and feel of it all. So that's kind of where I'm at the moment, my friends. And yeah, let me know if there's any questions that you want me to answer around beards, and I'll tailor some videos around that for you. I'll see you soon. Goodbye. Yeah. Look on the floor. Oh, it's good actually, can't I? Yeah. You know, I've loved having it, but how weird is that? Right.
You just do this double? Oh, no.
Now I just have to put some wax or some balm on the moustache every day, oil my face, and I'm done. Yeah, it's partly why I've done it, because it takes so long. Just have to keep a neckline. I'll probably just need my neck for the stubble actually.